Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from ebangaloreproperty.com. This is an independent house built on 20 by 40 east facing site in Thanisandra Road, residential locality with 30 feet road, close to Manyata Tech Park. First let me show you the main house. This is the main house starting from first floor. Triplex design, north facing entrance, teakwood main door, vitrified flooring. As we enter the house, you can see a large living room. It's a brand new property having CMC water connection with 10,000 liters storage capacity. Living, dining separate, kitchen in the southeast. Dining also has a hand wash basin. Modular kitchen cabinets are provided. Utility space, one large balcony with glass railing towards the road. Hand wash basin. Jaguar and Amber brand of fittings are provided, sanitary fittings. This is the kitchen. Loft on the top. LPG gas, for LPG gas copper pipeline is there from the kitchen to the ground floor parking area. Right now the area has mud road. Tar road is expected soon. So this is the utility area next to kitchen. The site comes under BBMP limits having B Khata, DC conversion is done. This is the master bedroom in the southwest corner with attached bathroom. Setback space is left so that you have windows for with cross ventilation. This is the bathroom. Wall mounted toilet, shower with diverter. Jaguar brand. Hand wash basin. Waterproof door. Windows, Honne and Sal wood has been used for the windows. Now we have reached the second floor, second level of the duplex house. On this floor there is a family hall, 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Four BHK triplex house plus 1 BHK house in the ground floor. So this is the bathroom. As part of the interiors, only the modular kitchen is included. Bedrooms, wardrobes, you can add it as per your taste and requirement. The overall cost of the property comes down without interiors. So that was second bedroom. This is third bedroom. Third bedroom roadside facing with bathroom, dressing area and balcony. Final coat of painting, polishing and cleaning is required. Now we'll go to the terrace floor. This is the third floor. Overall 3000 square feet of super built up area. There is a large landing space here. Can be used as a study area, home office, anything as per your requirement. And this is the fourth bedroom with attached bathroom. Totally 4 bedroom triplex with 4 attached bathrooms. Later I will show you the 1 BHK on the ground floor. Hi-Fi brand switches, V-Guard wires, cables. Europa and Victory brand of locks have been used in this property. 2.7 kilometers from Manyata Tech Park gate. Brand new construction. So this is the terrace area. Anti-skid flooring. Iron ladder going upstairs. Now we'll see the ground floor. So this is the ground floor 1 BHK. 2-side cross ventilation. Hall, bedroom, kitchen and bathroom. Common bathroom here. Utility door is there behind. All modern provisions like point for washing machine, refrigerator, UPS, everything is taken care of. So this is the compound wall behind. Setback space. Please read the description for complete details of this property. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties. Thank you for watching this video.